Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Ipsy Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my second Ipsy Glam Bag just arrived for August, so now I have both of them and can show you the difference between my two profiles. One of these is my standard profile that I have set to my liking, and the other one is open to anything and everything, because if it's something that I'm not a fan of or not comfortable with, I save them for you guys, and I keep the other bag for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and see what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my main profile. That is this one right here. And if you guys do not know, Ipsy Glam Bag is $10 a month. If you prepay for an entire year, you get 1 month for free, so it's only $110. So let's get in here. Now, this is the bag for this month. It is like a hunter green. I'm not a huge fan. I'm not a hunter green kind of fan, but it is nice. I like the texture on it, and it does have Ipsy right there. So let's go ahead and see. The inside is all pink. Let's dump the products out and get the card. All right, so the first item I'm seeing is this eyeshadow. There is the packaging. And it says, easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all that and then some. Plus the golden pearl shade is so fun for a year-round summer look. Dip your finger into or damp shadow brush into the shadow, then press onto your eyelids. So there is the color right there. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. Right there. That is very pretty. I do like colors like this on my lower lid, so that is really nice to have. So there's item number one. Second item, which I say that I'm not a huge brush fan, but I got a Luxie brush right there, and this is Periwinkle blending brush, $237. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one, or I have so many brushes and I only stick to the same ones every day. So I might go ahead and stick this one in a future giveaway in a future giveaway for one of you guys. But this brand's known for creating high quality brushes that are always vegan and cruelty free. This is just the right size and shape to seamlessly and precisely blend any shadow formula from cream to powder into your eye crease. So again, let's see, there's that. Now you can see the end. So there's item number two. Next we have 2-in-1 Pore Purifying Cleansing Gel. And this guy says, this gentle cleanser is formulated with something acid to fight breakouts. It helps exfoliate and minimize the appearance of pores. Use it to remove every trace of dirt, makeup, and excess oils without stripping your skin of moisture. So I'm all for trying something that does clean my face and take off all of my makeup. So I will definitely give that a try. Next we have from It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types, hydro plumping, skin transforming weightless moisturizer. So there is a moisturizer from It Cosmetics. Made by plastic surgeon and derms, this brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. Tip AM and PM, apply a pea-sized drop of lotion to your forehead, cheeks, skin, neck, anywhere you need some hydration, and then massage gently upward until it is all absorbed. So there's that. And then the last item in here is a nail polish And this is Nails Ink Nail Polish in Weekend Superpowers. I'm not sure why, but like the silver is coming off of the lid. Like, I'm not sure why that is happening, but the little silverish is, yeah, it's like gone. And it says Weekend Superpowers is the color, and there is the color right there. I don't know why that chipped off, but that is exactly how it came. But there's that. So that is everything that is in my profile. So we have this that I'm really excited to try. We have the lotion that I'm excited to try and the cleansing powder. This, I'm not a huge nail person, but with that being gone, I would not want to give it to one of you guys, even though this is new. That doesn't look new to me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. And then we have the brush. So here is my bag. So now let me go ahead and go into my anything and everything bag. Okay, so let's get this one opened. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this one open and see what we have in here. And this one actually, I'm pulling extra stuff out. When it's too big to fit in here, they'll just slide it in. And yay, it looks like there are some masks here. And peach and blueberry. I love peach. I wish these actually smelled like the scents. Every time I never smelled like it, but I always wanted to. So we have peach and blueberry. Same bag. Dump the products out. Is this the same? Wait, what was the color? So this was coriander, is the color of this one. This one has turmeric. Let's see what color this is. Okay, so this is like a gold, and that is definitely not one of my colors, so I will go ahead and set that aside for one of you guys to enjoy or to try out. But that is like a goldish color. I'm not a huge yellow gold fan, so I'll set that aside for one of you. Then, and that's funny that this profile would have the face masks and not mine, because my profile, I say I like them. So then next we have is from Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. And let's see, aside from their adorable packaging, Estate's products are all cruelty-free, paraben-free, and this light gold pearl finish highlighter will take you from natural radiant to a glow in just a few swipes. There's that. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and set this in a giveaway pile for you guys as well. I have a whole lot of highlighters going on right now, and I just have way too many. I can't use them all. I don't use highlighters that much. So there's that product. Next we have, this is Smile in Your Ink Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. Am I showing you the right part? Yeah. Let me open it all the way. What does this say? It's all about celebrating positivity with 24 karat gold, speaks with a flower set in it. Oops. Oh, so then if I would have read that first, I wouldn't have opened this, because I have this in a full size and it has a flower. Yes, it has a flower down inside of the actual lip product. I broke the seal on this, so I guess this one I'm gonna need to use. But it is, it has the flower down in it, and it's just like a lip gloss. I have the full size product of this one already. But there's that item. And then the last item, ooh, from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. There's that. And this is Trophy Wife. Ooh, I really like that color. Yes, I do. I am so, you know what? This right here is what I'm most excited about from both packages. Even though my first bag, there are a few that I will be keeping and trying. This right here, I'm so excited about. I mean, I'm excited about the masks, but this right here, I'm really, really excited about. And that is a beautiful color. Let me just try to put it all on my lip. Hold on. So I just kind of lightly put it on the rest because I already had like a little lip gloss on. But I really like that. I really like that color, you guys. So that is everything that came in this bag. We got the 2 masks, the Huda product that I am totally loving. We have the eyeshadow and the highlighter that will go to one of you guys with the other bag. And then you got this little cute thing with the flower inside. So that is everything that came in now both of my bags. Comment down below, did you get any of these same items? Was there one bag of mine you liked better than the other one? I really liked my first bag better, but I have to say I'm gonna go with this one because of this product and this product alone. I'm so glad to now have this. So yeah. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.